Hi, I'm Nicolas Busson, an SAP CRM consultant, and today I'd like to show you a tool that will help you tackle bugs in the software. But before talking about the tool, let's see which bug we would like to remove. So here I'm logged in SAP CRM using business role Sales Pro, and if you go to the contact application, search for a contact person and try to edit or add a new phone number, let's say this one, press enter, you'll have this warning message that is displayed. I would like to remove that, and I know that there is an OSS note to fix this behavior somewhere. I don't want to spend hours of debugging to know how to search for this OSS note, etc. So I'm gonna use this brand new tool. Here, if I come back to the SAP GUI, and if I'm lucky enough, this transaction will be available, ANST search tool, which I can start. And regarding SAP CRM, we have two options to start the tool: a SAP CRM web client, but here you'll need to know the name of the logical link to start your contact person application. So that's the technical ID behind this hyperlink. In this case, it's md comp search, or you can also start the CRM UI frame, which is the normal CRM login page, and then you have to navigate through the work center, etc. to reproduce your issue. So I find it convenient to use these methods because I don't want to search what's the exact CRM logical link behind my application. So I use this option, and I prepare a saved search. So here in this case, for example, I prepare this saved search that will show me just one contact person that can then easily start from over here in the upper right corner of the page. So now I think we are set. All we have to do is to reproduce this issue using the tool. So I'm not going to save the trace file, it's not needed in this case. I'm going to give this file a description, extension not entered, for example, and click on start. Here the system will suggest to start recording. Okay, let's do so. And now I can log in to SAP CRM again. Okay, just have to do the redirection on my system. System is starting. In a few seconds I'll be able to start my saved search. Click on go, display my contact person, edit, change the phone number, press enter, and here is the warning message displayed again. So come back to the SAP GUI, stop recording. So here, what the system is doing, it is compiling a list of all the bytes and pieces of software, of program, function modules, methods, etc. I've run through during the recording, and here I'm presented a list sorted by application component of those programs. So as I'm working on CRM Business Partner, it's easy to find the CRM BP component. If I expand this node, you'll see all the method, the class, the page, the programs, etc. the system have run through. I select everything and click on Node Search. So here the system will try to find all the OSS nodes that are fixing something in one of those programs or method or class. So if there is a node, it will be found in here. Now the list is displayed, and we can see that the first one, okay, I chose this example because it's quite easy to, I knew I would find the OSS node I'm looking for in first position. But as you can see, the system have found the exact OSS node I need. I can click on the link and the OSS node will be displayed in the browser, or I can just double click on the execute button, download the node. Here the node will be downloaded via the Node Assistant as node. Here I can find it, double click, implement it. Okay, like I would usually do. Changes can be copied. Perfect. Activate. So that's the ADS Node Assistant. So if you implement OSS nodes, I don't have anything to explain here. If you have manual steps, always check the node description, because you might have a few steps to do, and then we're done. I can start, so I'm gonna close this session, can start the web client again. Okay, using my credentials, and just to show you that now the error is gone, well, the warning message is gone. Just use the same saved search, go to my contact person, change something, press enter, no warning message. So this is quite a simple example, but I didn't want to show something too technical in CRM, because it's quite it can be quite difficult to understand what I'm doing here. But so that's a simple example, but I think it's showing the potential of the tool, which I find is very, very neat, and so easy to use, so relevant. You find every OSS node that you need, very, very neat, and so I hope it will be famous very soon. Bye.